No, you are a gay.
Bro,
No, you are a gay.
this question?
Okay, you are a gay or not?
No. Where?
Prove it. Prove it.
Prove it?
Yes.
Girl.
واش دراري قلت لي تبت لي بلي انت ماشي جاي ويبوز زعما بالدريه. يس يس I I'm not trust you, okay? It's not a bro. It's not a bro.
You,
You have to kiss.
why do you
You have to kiss a real girl.
do you see this? Girl. This? See? See this?
شي كيشبه لبنت اقسم بالله شي تزيد لها شي لعبه. It's not a girl. It's not a girl. It's just a toy.
It's just a toy.
It's just a toy. You kiss a toy. سيدي مالو. ايه. No,
It's not a toy. It's my girlfriend.
She's your girlfriend.
You're my girlfriend.
وش يدوي بصح. Promise me. Promise it's a
Yeah.
girlfriend. Swear to God. Yeah. You look pretty together. What?
Hmm?
Oh, you put your boyfriend behind you.
Boyfriend? Boyfriend?
Girlfriend.
Girlfriend. You're my boyfriend.
هذه هو سير اخويا دابا سير اخويا المرضى ما يمكنش كدويو راه ما يمكنش الكومنتيرات ديالكم. Oh my god. I have a question for you. Do you know B what mix?
Huh?
Do you know B what mix? B.
What?
B.
Like a bee? Yeah.
What's
yeah.
me?
Yeah.
What mix? Do you know what mix?
What's the name?
B what mix?
What I mean?
It's a question.
Honey?
Hi babe.
Honey?
Hi.
Oh! Oh! WB.
I got you. What's your name?
You got me there. Oh,
Oh my god,
Oh
I like
my
your
God.
smile.
thank you.
What's your name?
Hmm?
What's your name?
Megly.
Megli. It's a hard. Can I call you mine?
Stop that! Why
Okay,
am I
okay.
getting rich here?
I have another question. Do you like candy? صراحة عرفت راسي عيقت بهاد الجملة ولكن كيقول لك المثال عمرنا كنبدلو الفرقة اللي كتربح ديما داك الشيء كنبقى نجربها. Do you like candy?
Yeah?
For me I don't like it. Do you know why?
Why?
Because it's not sweet as you.
I can't.
Okay, where are you from? United Kingdom?
Yeah, but I'm not originally from here.
What's your native language?
I'm Lithuanian.
Oh my god, how can I say I love you in your language?
Oh my god, I can't. It's Ash,
Ash,
Milo,
Milo,
Deva.
Deva, Sator. What does it mean?
Ash, Milo, Deva. That's
What does it mean?
like I love you.
I love you too.
Like I love you. I don't get it on this. Oh,
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Hi. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. So what are you doing?
I don't know. It's my first time.
Okay,
So
are you
I just-
Muslim?
Yeah, I'm Muslim.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Are you also Muslim?
No, I'm not Muslim, just I know that's a word. Really, I want to
Okay.
be Muslim.
Well, do you want to be Muslim?
Yes.
Yeah, that's very interesting. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Japan.
Yeah.
But you live in South Korea, I think.
Yes.
Can you speak Hangul? Korean?
No, I'm just living there to work.
Yeah. So I think your workplace you speak Japanese or
No.
English?
I'm just speak English and French. And also I have to learn Arabic because I will be Muslim. Okay, how
Okay.
do you know Arabic?
No, I don't speak Arabic, but I know like basic things.
Okay. How can I pray without Arabic?
You don't have to speak Arabic to pray.
Okay.
It is
Can you teach me?
like, yeah, that's you have to do like something called niyyah, and it's like you have to think that you're gonna pray.
You have to say Surah Al-Fatiha.
Yeah, so you always have to learn to pray with my English just broke. You have to begin with Fatiha.
Yes.
And Fatiha is like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Maliki Yawmiddin.
Yeah, you can. How to?
Yes, of course. So I'm so interested to become a Muslim. I'm searching every day for this.
Why didn't you take the Shahada, like go to mosque and tell them that you wanna be Muslim?
I don't find the one to help me. I don't find the one to. Do you got it?
Is there no like Muslim place masjid in Korea?
No, I'm not close. I know masjid in Korea.
Wow, that's very, I don't know.
It's a hard, but I will be Muslim.
Yeah, oh, you want that's very good.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name's Khadra.
Khadra.
Yeah.
It does mean in
green.
English. That means green. Yes.
Mean green, just a color.
What's your native language?
My language.
Yes.
I speak Somali. I'm from Somalia.
From Somalia. So I'm just kidding.
Yeah, so
I'm from Morocco. I'm Muslim.
Yeah. That's what I thought. I was like, you're very good at it.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.